Hey everybody, I cannot believe what just happened. I had a video completely done showing you how to make these faux snow cones for your decor or for parties, whatever. Came upstairs, got ready to edit. Somehow, I don't know how, I deleted my whole SD card. Not just the footage for this. Everything. Everything. I am so upset over this. I can't believe it. But I have to get this video out. I have to. So what you're going to see is how I made all of the other three that I lost the footage for. But I do have where I can go down and show you the other three and bring that into the video. So you won't see me making the three, you're just going to see me making the one, but it's how I did the other three, if that makes sense. And now I have to start just getting other videos ready. Thank goodness my fall wasn't on there. I would have just, that would have been it. I would have said forget it. So, sorry guys. Anyway, what you're going to need is one of your snow cone cups, and you can get these Amazon, grocery stores, Walmart. And where I first saw this was Peeps, y'all. And that, I'll put her channel down below, and she is a real sweetheart, and she does a lot of fake bakes, and she does some real bakery food as well. So anyway, I've been wanting to make snow cones for a long time, and when I saw her do it, I just loved it, and so I'm going to show you. Alright, and this is just a holder that came with some of these snow cone little cups. Alright, this is a 3-inch styrofoam ball, and I'm going to cut it in half because I don't need the whole styrofoam ball. It's a waste because I can get 2 snow cones out of one. You know what I'm saying? And I love weight sticks on you. And I'm going to hot glue it in so it won't move around. And I'm not going to put it everywhere, just enough to hold it. But yeah, can you believe that? Oh, you don't know how mad I am. Alright. So I'm just going to let that sit just for a minute. And then what you're going to do is you're going to take a baggie with some Epsom salts and gel food coloring. Now this food coloring I got at Amazon, and I'll put it in the description box below. The Epsom salts came from the Dollar Tree, and like I said, the cones you can buy a lot of places, but if you don't want to go hunting, just go on Amazon. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my Epsom salts, and now keep in mind I've done 3 others already, thinking I was going to edit my footage, and I didn't have any. Oh. I don't need that much. Okay. So the ones downstairs, I did an aqua, a pink, and a green. So this time I'm going to do a yellow. And it's important to do the gel because the Epsom salt is salt, and if you put something more liquid, it's going to dissolve. And gel is thicker, and it only takes 1 drop. Oop, too much. Why not? This is the way my whole day is going. That's okay. It'll just be more concentrated. It's a pretty color. Okay, now what Peeps did, I really don't know her name, but from Hey Peeps Y'all, I can't remember. It'll be in the description box. So on her channel, she used Mod Podge to put on top of the styrofoam. I tried it and I showed it on the other video, and it just didn't stick. It just wasn't sticky enough. So what I'm using is just regular school Elmer's glue, okay? And I'm just going to put it on the styrofoam. And with my finger, I'm just going to make sure it covers all of the styrofoam ball. Now, if you didn't glue this in, this thing would be moving around and it would just be a nightmare. So I suggest hot gluing it. Okay. And this is very fast. Okay. And then all you do is you take your Epsom salts is you start putting it right on to the wet glue. And this video wouldn't be this fast had I still had the other to show you. So I'm sorry about that. I'm just patting it down into that glue very lightly. See, the Mod Podge by this point would have been dried. It just was, it did not work for me. It worked for her, but it did not work for me. And you got to find whatever works for you anyway. I don't care what kind of craft it is. You know? But they do look real. I think this is so cute for, you know, a birthday party, for decor, or just for your summer, if you're into faux food to decorate with. Or like I said, for props. So cute. And I wanted to finish off, because summer's coming to a close, this next weekend is Labor Day weekend, and then we start all of our fall, or I do anyway, my fall DIYs and my fall decorating for my home tour. Sticks so much better, you guys, than the Mod Podge. And then if you have little areas where there's some white, you can just go back with your glue and just tiny bit put it around the areas that you see it, and then just add more of the Epsom salt. It's not a big deal. Okay, that's it. That's your snow cone. I'll take you downstairs and I'll show you the other three. And I am so sorry that we lost the rest of that footage, but I at least wanted to show you how to do it again. So let's go down and look at the others. Okay guys, so here's the other snow cones that were filmed that, well, we all know what happened to that. But here they are. Aren't they cute? I think these are so adorable. So guys, you need to try this. Very easy. Epsom salt, a container, Styrofoam ball, some gel coloring, and that's all you need. And you have a very, very cute DIY to add to your summer decor or for a birthday party. How cute would those be? Just as part of the decoration. Guys, I hope you'll try this. Remember, the world's a better place because you're in it. Don't ever, ever forget that. There's only one you, and you bring something to this world nobody else can. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.